Hello guys, I'm Ruben. I just purchased this SABRENT clone drive. Alright, so I followed the instructions which stated that you gotta just plug it in and it's offline. You don't need to plug in the computer. No problem, right? So it states just push the power, so it turns on. The light will turn on as indicates, alright, its power is turned on, no problem. So now you gotta press until a light blinks, which is one of these four, okay? Each one is a quarter stage. So I press and hold, and wait. When light turns on, immediately press it. This is not supposed to happen, okay? All four lights are not to be lit up at the same time, as it states in the instruction. Okay, so I looked up a couple of videos, and same issues as I was. And I looked it up on YouTube, just to make sure that I wasn't the only one, okay? So, yeah, if it's another set of instructions that was to be done with this product, they should have provided it, or at least put a YouTube link describing what needed to happen. So, yeah, I would suggest not to purchase this. That's just my opinion. So, yep, that's about it.
Let's see if it works.
Okay. Turn the power on.
It said hold and press quickly. Wait, what? It says should start with 25%. What's going on? Why is it 100%? Is it gonna be like this for an hour or so?
Alright, currently I'm copying 230 gigs off this. It's taking about 30 minutes. It's estimating off the MacBook. I'm on an M2 MacBook with Mac OS Ventura. It does take a while meaning 5 to 10 seconds for the disk to initialize on Mac. But once it does, it looks like it's pretty speedy. Now I'm just going through Finder and looking at a bunch of these files on this disk. And this is the noise level. It's pretty quiet. So far, so good.